Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm boxing up some Happy Mail. Here I have created a set of 3 different little embellishments that I have made, and you can see how I've done the folds and embellished them with all the various embellishments. That's going to go on the bottom. This is a Halloween mail or fall, and so I've included these little treat pops as fun little Halloween decorations to create. Here I have packaged up a fun little pin, and this is what the pin looks like. That's going to go in here. I've created a fun little shaker pocket to decorate that. Oh, okay, so I have created this little pocket where I just take basically a Project Life paper, I fold it over, I fill this back here with a 4x6 piece of paper, I cut off half of it, seal it, and create a shaker pocket, fold it over, and then I just glue down the 2 sides, cut off the strip on the bottom, and that's how I've created this fun little shaker pocket. And then I have created all kinds of little embellishments to fill the pocket. So I'm just going to fill it here now. So here is another little shaker pocket I have created. Tuck that in there. And I'm going to tuck in a little apple cinnamon tea. I'm going to put a little card in here. Just like that. I have created these shaker pumpkins. This is what that looks like there. And I've got this in this little envelope. Put it just so. There we go. Fold it over and tuck it in. I've created another little pumpkin right there. Super cute. And also going to tuck that in there. There's another foam shaker pumpkin. Tuck that in there. I have this Broom Hair Don't Care shaker. Can also go in here. I've got this little medallion. You can actually even just clip that right on there. And then I'm just going to tuck in a few little pieces of ephemera from the Hey Pumpkin collection, as well as some little fall ephemera. This mix of Halloween and fall little ephemera tucked into this pocket. So that should be good. Maybe we'll just tuck one more little fox one in here. And I've also created this butterfly. It can also go in there. So there you go, this fun little loaded pocket with the ghost and the charm dangling off the side. Let's see which way it fits best in here. It works out. I've got another Candy Please shaker pocket. I've combined pink with a lot of my Halloween. It's not a real past Halloween, but if you haven't seen this already up on my Instagram, I've created a little set of envelopes and I've filled them with ephemera. And I've also made a little like booklet out of them. And I've sealed them each with their own Happy Mail wax seal. I have a whole video on how I created that. That was from Crayspire. These are a fun little addition to finish off that. And then last but not least, I have this really fun. It's a pedicure in a box set. It's pumpkin spice. And what I did is I took a set of the pedicure 4-step program, and then I was going to try to put it into one of these pumpkin spice cups, but it didn't fit. So I just used one of the sleeves that says pumpkin spice. It's Rae Dunn. And then I put a little handmade tassel I did on here. There's a little charm. And that's the last little finishing touch to go on there. I'm trying to think of the best way to place these on here. That goes there. And then this is just some tulle that is fun, black and white, pumpkin-y kind of tulle. And then I'm just going to spread all of that around there. And then I'll add some different bits and stuff. Like I've got some fun little orange pom-poms, for example. Those would be neat to put in here for Halloween, for fall. Sprinkle some of those in. There you go. And actually, what I should also do, I should put some of these fun, let's see if we can find it. So yellow, those are good colors. These are some handmade flowers that I've done up. I could even use with this nice black and white on the back. Let's do a couple of those. I'll stick with fall colors. I like that one. Just have 3. I'm going to do another one of those. Okay. So that's that. Add a couple little confettis. And that is my Halloween Happy Mail. Send that off to my pen pal, who I'm not going to say who it's for, just in case I'm sharing this before I actually have her receive it. It often takes quite a while. I don't know if she'll get it before Halloween. I'd like to post this around Halloween. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.